Hi, Enesi.
Hello, Louis.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I'm excited.
Okay, can you tell the audience where you're from and your job?
Okay, my name is Enesi. I'm from London. I'm a student and I'm a part-time worker at Greg's.
And Enesi, what's your song?
Human Nature, Michael Jackson.
Okay, Enesi.
Looking out across the nighttime, the city rings a sleepless eye. If this town is just an apple, let me take a bite. They say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does she do me